what's up, y'all? You know what time it is. Your boy Keenan from Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking. Yeah, on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe, your boy, and follow me on the other social media outlets. I'm looking over here because our prayers have been answered in the world of snackums. And throughout the years, there has been plenty of spicy and flaming hot flavored chips. Those nasty ass Takis, those are terrible. The guacamole ones are good, but the other ones should not exist. They're dangerous. But Dorito has answered our prayers that we were always wondering, when will they come out with? And you see the blue bag, the Flamin' Hot Cool Ranch. Flamin' Hot Cool Ranch. The prayers have been answered. You know, in the world of snackagems. And I've been dying to try these. I'm very interested on how they, we ought to have like spicy ranches. The spicy ranch on the Taco Bell wings. Don't fall asleep on the Taco Bell wings. So we're going to go ahead and see what this is about. And I'm going to wash this down with an interesting soda too. Okay. That smells like Spicy Cool Ranch. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it because I'm very interested on how they blended up the Cool Ranch and Flamin' Hot. Yep. You get all the Cool Ranch. You get all the Cool Ranch up front. Then that Flamin' Hot comes in. They hot. Like, these are good. These are real good. I think all you need to do is dip these in some sour cream and you win it. Flamin' Hot Cool Ranch. On point. Alright. And before I try to clear my throat and choke on the pepper, I was cruising through the aisles of the grocery store, and I seen a new Mountain Dew out. Actually, it was two new Mountain Dews, and I grabbed one, and this is the Mountain Dew Spark. Okay, and it is a raspberry lemonade flavor. Raspberry lemonade Mountain Dew. If this is anything better than Code Red, then I would be amazed. So that smells like raspberry lemonade. Legit raspberry lemonade. I think the kids didn't already have one of these. I don't know. But I've been dying to try. And I'm not going to drink too much because it's nighttime. And Mountain Dew at night don't mix. Yeah, that's legit. That's a legit raspberry lemonade soda. And if it's like regular Mountain Dew, you know it's caffeinated. So the fact that they got a caffeinated soda with a lot of flavor in it, I mean, that's good. All right, so that about wraps it up with another adventure, another grocery store adventure with your boy Keenan. We had the Doritos Flamin' Hot Cool Ranch. The prayers have been answered. These are good. And I washed it all down with the new Mountain Dew flavor out. The Mountain Dew Spark Raspberry Lemonade flavor. This is good as well, and it is a very flavorful soda that is caffeinated. I'm pretty sure it is, like all Mountain Dew, and it's good. So check that out. All right, so that's it. It's the end of your boy's grocery store adventure. Appreciate y'all checking me out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my playlist. Check me out on Instagram, on IGTV. I got a couple series on there. Keenan Special Editions and Keenan Off the Grill. Y'all be cool, be safe.